As the sun dipped below the horizon, casting a golden glow, a massive construction site stood silent. But silence can be deceiving. Officer Jocks, a beacon of calm and determination, stepped out. His gaze, sharp and focused, scanned the towering scaffolding above. He moved with purpose, navigating the labyrinth of steel and machinery. A silent guardian entering the fray, ready for anything. High above, shadows stirred. A group of saboteurs, the construction villains, were at work, threatening the very foundation of the site. Jocks ascended, his movements precise and calculated. Every step was a testament to his training and unwavering resolve. A perilous gap, a cunning trap. But Jocks, quick thinking and agile, used a construction cable to swing across, defying danger. The villains pressed on, scaling the crane. Jocks, ever vigilant, followed their ascent, mastering the vertical challenge with skill. In the glow of bright work lights, Jocks's eyes narrowed. A plan, swift and decisive, began to form in his brilliant mind. With a burst of mist, Jocks disarmed the threat. Gadgets disabled, villains restrained, order restored with precision and bravery. A heavy load, a critical moment. Jocks secured it, preventing disaster, safeguarding the entire site just in the nick of time. As twilight deepened into night, the site stood quiet, secured. The city lights twinkled, a testament to peace and safety. Jocks offered a reassuring nod to the workers. His discipline, matched by kindness, brought comfort and confidence to all. Standing tall, overlooking the city, Officer Jocks watched as night embraced the skyline. Another day, another victory for justice.